I started to make a video comparing sub irrigation to drip irrigation, the usual crap. It was going great until I actually hooked up the drip irrigation system. And I realized it was a fucking mess. Like, conceptually in my head, it was going to be fucking awesome. It was going to guarantee carrots. This time forever, 100%, no fail. Because last time I did not keep up with watering the carrots I started, and they died of death. Those greedy little fuckers. They need constant attention, constant watering to get them started. Can't let up, can't stop. Always got to watch them. Always got to take care of them. So I don't know. This whole week has felt like a mess. And I think a lot of people feel it. I'm still here though, trying my best to bring y'all great content about growing your own food and urban gardening and all that shit. But maybe I don't have it in me this week. Maybe I'm distracted by other thoughts. The future, the past, right versus wrong. What do I actually value? What does anyone value? Is this reality, or how many layers deep are we in the matrix? I did manage to build another sub irrigation bag for even more kale. I mean, this shelf is just popping with kale right now. And I started more carrots, which was initially using this stupid drip irrigation system I bought that I thought would be kick ass, but turns out it's just a bunch of tubing nightmare. I mean, I like things to be aesthetically pleasing, especially indoors, and couldn't stomach what it looked like. So I tore it all down. I didn't throw it away. I just stuffed it in a storage tote where I keep all the other shit and put it on the top shelf of a closet somewhere. Maybe this is a reflection of how I feel after this past week's events. Maybe it's an indication I should be focusing on something different, like reconciling this whole fucking mess. But time doesn't stop. The gears of capitalism don't stop. Plants don't stop. Sun rises, it sets. We keep marching forward into the abyss, or wherever the fuck we're marching to. We accept our fate. We accept that there's a high probability these carrots also die. One thing is clear though, and the Joker said it best, there's no going back to the way things were. We've changed things forever, which is somewhat exciting, I guess, but at the same time is scary. The unknown is always scary. The only thing left to do is to keep building grow bags, keep planting seeds, keep taking steps in the direction I want to go. And now's a good time to rethink things, to recalibrate, maybe strategize around what's next. Then step back out and probably get punched in the face over and over again. And hope we come out the other side, I don't know, more optimistic, different. Maybe we value different things. Maybe we completely different people by then. I've been Aaron. This is still Hydro Solo. I'll see you next time.